I'm down here working on the floor on my wife's car. She got a little scratch here on the painted part of the bumper. So I'm just doing a quick paint touch up and buff and polish. So I'm using my just Milwaukee drill. I'm not using the most professional polishing tools. This is a 2-inch pad, has some chemical guys polish. And I've just kind of leveled out the repair with 2000 grit and then 3000 grit. So I'm gonna go ahead and buff those 2000, 3000 grit scratches out with this polisher system. I'm using this Milwaukee drill and I got a new battery from Vanon. So this is a little different than the stock battery for Milwaukee. This M12 battery is the original one. And you know, they work, but after about 2 years, they sort of lose their charge or their ability to keep a charge. So Vanon makes these a little bit larger batteries that give it more power. I think you can hear the difference between the original Milwaukee and the charged Vanon. They have a little bit more power and a lot more life. So if I was to, you know, polish this little section of the bumper, I would probably go through like 2 batteries based on their age. When the thing was new, it would probably do this job, but rather than throw the drill away, I got these Vanon batteries and the charger comes with 2. It's gonna get me through this with just 1 battery, I think. This is probably a 15-minute, you know, polish job. So let's see how it does. I'm gonna start up high and then I'll have to probably lay on the ground to get this part done. It's not the most ergonomic, and I'm trying to make it so you guys can see, but there's a little bit of a body line here. We need to be really careful we don't, you know, burn through that. But this is a very compliant sponge, and the speed of the drill, it's on 2, but it's just about perfect for a small repair like this. It's a pretty slow speed as far as polishing goes, but it's fine. Same thing here, there's a body line. We want to be careful we don't burn through. Just a little bit more polish, not to overdo it. It's really hard to see the scratches in the white, so I am using my light here to make sure I got a nice shine on it. So a little bit more right up here and right down there. That's just below the repair. The repair was right here. It was down to the black plastic. So I'm happy with the level of shine and just the color match. So this is pretty good. I should have probably filled this little rock chip right here, but this car is going back to lease, and I think rock chips are allowed, but big gouges like what was right there is not okay. So I just wanted to touch that up. Hopefully it's gonna pass the muster, but it's nice and shiny, nice and smooth. Spent about, like I said, maybe 15 minutes with the polisher, and it looks great. This old drill has some new life. You know, I kind of like this drill. I like it's got 2 speeds, and I like now that the batteries last a while. So still plenty of power. If we look at this, there's still 3 bars of power after using it for, like I said, probably 15 minutes. That's just 1 battery. And then here's the second battery, comes with 2. It renews your life of your old drill. I would highly recommend, rather than replacing your entire drill, just replace the batteries. Plus, another nice thing is it allows the drill to stand up like that. Normally with the old batteries, you have to lay it down, which in this case can contaminate the pad and stuff. It's pretty much impossible to stand it up with the old battery. And like I said, it's just, you know, can damage your bits or can damage your pad. So I like this system. I don't recommend a lot of things on this channel, but if you have a Milwaukee drill, they make batteries for all sorts of Milwaukee products, not just the M12. So highly recommend. Look in the description below for a link for this Vanon battery system. I would do that rather than buying a new drill.